Hello everybody. You'll have received an email in relation to your Workdeck username and password. So you can come to here to myworkdeck.com and you can use those credentials to log in. Equally, you can log in via your Google or Microsoft account. And once you log in, you land on your dashboard. And this is a very handy control panel that will push you or feed you notifications, information, interactions that are relevant for your day-to-day on the platform. And what I'll show you in this first video is one of the first simple and easy things that you can do when you land on the platform. Go to your profile. So click here on my profile. And here you can upload your photo. You can customize your event reminders. I'm quite happy to leave it at the default of 10 minutes. If you want to change it, you can. And this means that anytime you have a meeting, the platform will send you a reminder, in this case, 10 minutes before the meeting. You can also synchronize with your either Google or Microsoft calendar. So the platform will know whether you're a Google or Microsoft user. In my case, I'm a Google user. So if you want to synchronize your calendar, just click here to enable the synchronization. You can select the date from which you wish to make the synchronization. I'm quite happy to leave that for today, as of today. So you click on accept, and then you'll go through the steps here. I won't do it now, but you will click on the count that you want to synchronize and just follow the steps. One thing, just remember to save. So if you upload your photo, if you make any changes to your event reminder, and if you synchronize your calendar, do just remember to save. Okay, thank you.